Dutch oven cooking, cast iron cooking, live fire cooking, or you're just here for the recipes, don't forget to subscribe. So in a bowl I've already got some prepared vegetables. I've got cherry tomatoes, red onion, yellow pepper, bit of red pepper, courgette and some carrot. So to this, we're just going to spray this with some low-cal spray. You can use any type of oil you like, but I need to be using low-cal as I'm apparently on a diet. So once we've got the low-cal in, we're just going to toss the vegetables through it, make sure they're all covered. And to this, we're going to have 1 teaspoon of mustard powder. This is yellow mustard powder. Then we've got 1 tablespoon of dried mixed herbs. Then 3 chopped garlic cloves. Once that's in the bowl, we're just going to give this another good mix round. Make sure these vegetables are covered. Now we're going to add some real flavour. This is Uncle Steve's shakes. This is the Gator shake. Just going to give these vegetables a kiss of Gator shake. Last time we're going to stir this through. So that's our vegetables ready. Next off, we've got 4 skinless, boneless chicken thighs. Once again, we're going to go with Uncle Steve's shakes, the Gator shake. We're going to give this a good covering. Just going to mix this through. Make sure we pick it all up. So I'm not happy with the coverage of this, so we're going to go with some more Gator shake. Can never have too much Gator shake. So that's our chicken thighs ready. So we're going to do a tray bake. I haven't got a round tray, so I'm going to just use this round pie dish. So we're going to put our chicken thighs in. Now we're going to start layering our vegetables up. Just going to go a bit fancy here. Trying to get equal amounts of vegetables in each quarter of the dish. So that's our chicken tray bake ready to cook. So I've got my Dutch oven table up. I've had some charcoal eaten up while I've been preparing the chicken. So we'll get that on the table. Just going to divide this 50-50 split, 50% for the bottom, 50 for the top. And the middle of the table. Now we're going to get our Dutch oven on. As we all know, everything tastes better that's created in cast iron. Now we've just got a little small trivet I'm going to place on the bottom because I don't want the dish to sit onto the bottom. So we're just lifting this off. So we're going to pop our tray bake in. And get the lid on. And we're going to load these coals onto the lid. Once these coals are all on, we're going to let this cook. We're going to let this cook for about an hour and 20 minutes. So after an hour of cooking, I've checked the internal temperature of 74 degrees C, that's 165 F, and the chicken is cooked. The smells are amazing. A nice smell of garlic, the colours are vibrant, a real dish I'm going to enjoy. If you like what we're doing here with Dutch cooking, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell.